Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celamarr. Today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day. Have you been doing my workout challenge? It's 7 days and you're supposed to repeat it for 3 weeks for best results. I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been eating during that time and what's helped me like lose fat. I've lost 7 pounds and I've lost 2 inches on my waist. So I'm just gonna show you what I eat in a day. So let's just get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this with your friends. Leave a comment down below if you're doing the workout challenge. So first thing in the morning, I take a glass of water and I put 1 scoop of this. It's a fat burner, and then I put 1 scoop of this, and I have this every day. I've been taking it for a week. I'm not really sure if it does anything yet, but I know it does crave my appetite and it helps me not crave sugar as much. I'm a freaking sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth. And this is basically like drinking a big glass of juice. So this is really good, I guess. So that's basically what I do every day for the last week, maybe week and a half. I've been having this twice a day. I'm not sponsored, guys, I wish. I spent my own money on this and it was kind of a lot. Yeah, so I haven't had breakfast yet and it's like maybe 1 o'clock already. I usually have 2 to 3 meals and I'll either do 1 or 2 snacks depending on how many meals I did. I'm not really like a morning person to like have breakfast. I think unknowingly I'm like in a fasting diet, like the 16-8 rule, where you go like 16 hours without eating and then you eat for an 8-hour period. But if I wake up and I'm hungry in the morning, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna show you guys my first meal of the day, and yeah. Also, I've just had such an appreciation for like loose shorts lately. Like they are so satisfying and so cute. So I'm gonna be making healthy pancakes. So you need a banana, 2 eggs, and then you need pancake mix. Usually you do it with oatmeal, but I don't have oatmeal. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the pancake mix to our healthy pancakes. I just add a little bit of the pancake mix and then I'm just gonna blend it in my NutriBullet. All my friends think I'm so weird before I do this. Is the pancake, right? I'm gonna add cream cheese, peanut butter, and jelly on it. So yeah, it should look something like this. Trust me guys, it's not as gross as it looks. And then I just flip it and then I eat it like it's a crepe or something. It's not as gross as it seems. All my friends think I'm so weird because I eat this, but it is so good. Like it is so good. You just have to try it. Maybe try it without the peanut butter first and just eat it with cream cheese and jelly. It's really bomb. So yeah, we're gonna eat that. I'm about to go to the gym, so I'm going to be taking my fat burner and pre-workout. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it. It's super easy. So I'm just gonna bring this water bottle, and then this is what it looks like. OxyShred, L-carnitine, or whatever, however you say it. And then this is a pre-workout I use from EHP Labs. It's the RP Max in Mango Cooler. This is what it looks like. Comes with little things. So what I do first is I grab around 1 scoop of this. Doesn't have to be a whole scoop. And then I put it in there. And I grab 1 spoon of this. This one I do precise. And then for the pre-workout, I just take a little bit because I don't really like, this is super strong, so I don't really like the whole like tingling, muscly feeling type thing where I'm like about to have a heart attack. So I just take around this much and I put it in here. This, guys, is super sweet, so it literally craves your sweet tooth cravings. I'm gonna take that to the gym, drink it before I start working out, and I'll film a little bit of my workout. I'm gonna be starting week 3 for the workout challenge tomorrow, so I'm really just gonna be doing like a weightlifting sesh for legs today. So I'll like show you guys a little bit of that, and then we're gonna come home and we're gonna eat lunch slash like post-workout meal.
If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to. If
I just got home from the gym. I took a shower, but I just didn't wash my hair. I'm starving. I'm gonna make the most random meal ever though, because there's like no food in my house and I don't feel like going to buy food and I don't feel like going to Publix. I think I'm gonna make eggs, beans. We have like pico de gallo here because you know, Spanish Latina vibes. I'm gonna probably eat like 2 tortillas. Everything's already made, so I'm just gonna show you like the final product. But yeah, after a workout you need to eat protein and fill up in carbs because you depleted your energy and you need to get that back up. Okay, I don't think you guys understand how freaking bomb this is gonna be. So this is 3 eggs and spinach, a lot of spinach, like 2 handfuls. And then I have 2 tortillas with some hummus. And then I have a lot of beans, like look at my hand guys. A lot of beans. They're a good source of protein and fiber. And then I have my pico de gallo instead of adding like ketchup or something. So I am about to F this up. Okay, I look rough, I know. But I kind of just wanted to talk about something really quick before I eat this. Before, I used to, if you look at my other what I eat in a day video, I talk about how I use MyFitnessPal and I like track my calories and stuff. I don't do that anymore, and I feel like it's better because I was getting so like obsessive with counting my calories. I would track everything. It was not good for me, not at all. I feel like now I eat when I'm hungry, but I'm eating consciously. It's like, oh, should I have a bag of chips or should I eat a banana and an apple? You know what I mean? My second meal of the day, and it's definitely a lot bigger, but it has so many good nutrients for you. It has protein, carbs, it has fiber, it has vitamins. Later tonight, I'll probably have maybe like an almond, banana, peanut butter smoothie, just because I told you guys, I'm a sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth. I love sugar. It's so bad, but for me to have like the pancake in the morning with the peanut butter and stuff, and then for me to have like a little peanut butter banana smoothie at night, it like stops me from going to the corner store and getting a bag of Lifesavers or getting Skittles and chocolate and lollipops and stuff like that. But yeah guys, I'm about to F this up. You already know, but I'll see you guys for the protein smoothie type thing. This is the damage that was done. I definitely did not eat everything. I'm stuffed, but yeah, see you for protein shake. Almond milk, banana, peanut butter. Yep. This is what it ends up looking. Just regular protein shake without protein powder, but it still does the trick. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna drink this and then drink some water, brush my teeth, and then go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the workout challenge and if I should do more.